Oh my gosh, this is from West Food Brands. These are gluten-free and they are so easy to make even without anything fancy. I had nothing fancy. I didn't have a donut pan. I didn't even make the extra confectioner's glaze at the end. I went just with a sprinkle, but oh my gosh, let me tell you about these. They're gluten-free and they're made with sweet potato. So I'd like to thank West Food Brands for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. These are delicious, and you will notice after I brought out the second pan, there was already two missing because they're really good. And that was even before I put any like little sugar on them. They're really good just by themselves. Again, I didn't have the donut pan, so I made donut holes. You know, you can use a spoon. I use my hands because I just find it easier. I could have used a bigger cookie sheet, but I didn't have one. So these are really good. And at the end, they've got a really great recipe for a glaze that you can put on there. And I didn't even do the glaze, but I just did a little sprinkle of sugar, the confectioner sugar. Amazing. These are delicious and they are tasty and they're super easy to make. So all you need to do is take a half a cup of melted butter and a half a cup of any kind of milk. I used oat milk and 2 large eggs. What I did was I melted the butter first, the half cup of butter, and I whisked the eggs into the butter. That way they were already mixed. And then I put the mix in and then I added the cup of milk, the half a cup of milk, oat milk. Mixed it together, just mix it till it's good to go. And then they are just super ready to go. And they are just delicious. Look at the little, I'll show you the little brown on the bottom. Mm. Mm. They're really good. They're good without anything. You can eat them without anything on them. But I do think they're a little bit better with the tiny bit of sugar on them. So definitely better with the glaze, but I went a real easy route and just sprinkled that confectioner sugar on them. Wow, yeah. Gluten-free flour. It's made with real sweet potato and they smell amazing. My husband came in and was like, "What are those?" And so he's already eaten one too. So it's supposed to make 12 donuts. It made 1, 2, 3, 17. It made 17 little donut holes. And I kind of went big on these. Like some of these are kind of like a little bit bigger size, but they are great. The texture is really nice too. So thank you so much, West Brands.